we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Hello and welcome to my studio. My name is Ido Agassi and today I have a new idea for a box. It was never made as far as I know, and I thought about it while driving. I have to try it out, and this is the first time I'm doing it on camera. Okay, I just took a book from my father's library over here. I'll take the measurements. This is 16.3 on 23, and the thickness is 3 centimeters. Okay, so I'm very excited. I'm going to start with building the box and see that it works and it could slide out. And if it works, it's a real revolution in box making. I hope it would work. Let's see. Let me cut the boards and I'll come back. Okay, so I'm back with the boards already cut to size, and I'm going to start constructing the box. Let me bring some weights. I'll put one here. And I'll start constructing. Because I'm making a mock-up, that is why I'm not covering the boards on the inside and outside. Let's see that it works properly, and then I will line the inside. I will wait a second for it to dry. Great. Let's move on to constructing this small piece. I really hope it would work. I'll put some glue here. And connect. Glue the other side. Take a smaller one. What I forgot to do is I want to make a gap inside. So let me wait for it to glue up. I'll move it aside. I want to make a path for the strips, so let me measure the size of the ruler, which is 1.5 centimeter. I'll do it on the other side. 1.5. Do I like it? Maybe I'll make it a bit bigger. Yeah, let me do it 1 centimeter. I'll take my knife and cut around quarter or third of the material. Now I'll take my chisel and I'm going to take out material. I think this would do the trick. Okay, now I'm going to connect it. So put the weight here. And now I want this towards the bottom. So I'll glue this one. Let's do the other side. After connecting this, I thought maybe it would be better if I connect it afterwards. But first time you learn from your mistakes. Yeah, it's very, as you can see. I'll glue it later. Let me put this aside. And now I'm going to do the outer piece. I'll take a small weight for a line here on the right side. I'm going first with the back. Squeeze it in here like this. Two of those. And glue the edge. I'm so curious to see if it would work. Again, usually I'm lining the inside, but I'm just trying it out. And if it would work, then I'll do something more refined. So glad you're with me trying it for the first time. Okay. Let me sand it a bit. Now let me see that it fits inside. Amazing. Okay, I'm moving on to paring some leather. So I'll move this aside. I'll bring my paring machine. I'm going to connect two clamps. I'll bring a piece of leather and my ruler. I'm going to cut a strip more than I need, because when you are pairing it, it becomes smaller, and then I will straighten it up. I'll insert inside the machine, and I'm pairing it. I think it can go smaller. Great, I think this is thin enough. We take this out. Now I want it straight, so I'll give it a straight line. This is 1.2. So let me cut this one. Trim the edges nicely. Take the box. I'll do the center by eye. I think this is centered. Bone folder. And let's put it aside so it would dry. I think it's dry enough. Let me insert this inside the slipcase. The problem I found that when you pull, it pulls it up and then it won't move. But what I discovered, that if you add weight, it slides. So I'm going to put this inside. Now I'm going to glue the sides here. We do the other side. I want to add the sides also. I'm going to glue this one. I want it to be flush with the opening. No, that won't work. Take a smaller one. I'm putting this over here so it would give me the lip would be the same location. Do it to the other side. Again, I'm using the weight to see that the lip is straight. Let me give it a second to dry, but I want to see the result if it's working. Are you ready? The moment of truth. I'll put the book inside. Let's try and slide it. It works from an idea to an actual box, and I think this is going to revolutionize the slipcases, because I love the design. It protects the book from the inside and it pulls the complete book, and you don't need to start with your fingers and ruin the spine. Amazing. So this is actually just the mock-up. I need to name this kind of box, the Agassi design. Outer Slipcase? I don't know. We'll find a name. So in my next video, I'm going to actually make the box and cover everything. So make sure to subscribe and watch that video. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in my next video.